I remember looking at my husband in the hospital and being like, okay, stop. Like, this is our now. Like, let's just move forward. And it's a choice that you have every single day. Every single day you have a choice to wake up and to be happy or to be a sourpuss, right? And if it's your last day, you don't want people to remember you being a mean, angry, grumpy sourpuss, right? So I go into each and everything that I do and each and every day feeling like it's going to be the best day ever. This is going to be the best workout that I've done ever in my entire life. I'm going to push myself to the point that I've never pushed myself before. And I felt that way at the rehab hospital, at Craig Hospital in Denver, right? Like every single day I got up, I was like, I'm going to crush this physical therapy session because I have to, because it's not necessarily for like winning. It's not for a gold medal. It's not for a blue ribbon. It's to get my life back.
Hey guys, Amy Van Dyken here. I am the president and founder of Amy's Army, which is a nonprofit, and we donate custom wheelchairs to kids 18 and under who can't get them any other way. I'm so excited to be taking part in the Wings for Life run, if you will. It's so important because 1 in 50 people suffer from some form of paralysis. So spinal cord injury research is so important, not just for me because I'm in a wheelchair, but for everybody because you will be affected. If you want to take part, I highly suggest you do. You can go to wingsforlife.com, sign up there, or if you're on Facebook, go to KO Alliance. Find it, you can sign up, and I'll see you out there. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.